Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. Before we start, our topic is about managing knowledge and data. I'm Yasmin Hana binti Muhammad Razwan. All of you can call me Yasmin. My ID student is 2024-963-253. Alright, I will start. Today, I will be presenting a journal that we found entitled Optimization of Knowledge Management Camp with a Machine Learning ML enabled. So, this journal was written by five people. First is Muhammad Anashari, Muhammad Shafruddin, Abitan, Norma Latif Fitriyani, and the last one is Yabid Alas. And this journal, it was published in the Journal Information in 2023. Alright, like I said, the topic chosen by our group is managing knowledge and data. Alright, proceed. This journal discusses how organization can improve their knowledge management system by integrating machine learning ML and artificial intelligence that is known as AI. So, it explains how these technologies can help organizations manage large amount of knowledge, improve decision making, and stay competitive in today's digital business environments. Now, I will explain the main issues and challenges discussed in this journal. Let's go. Alright, I'm back. So, the first issue that we found or we discussed in this journal is the loss of organizational knowledge. So, many organizations depend heavily on experienced employees who have valuable knowledge and skill gained through years of working experience. So, however, when this employee retire, resign, or leave the company, much of their knowledge leave with them, right? So, this create a knowledge gap because a new employee may not have access to the same experience or expertise. So, without an effective knowledge management system, organizations struggle to capture, store, and transfer this knowledge to a future employees or a new workers. So, as a result, organization may repeat the same mistake, waste time solving problems that have already been solved before, and reduce overall productivity. So, we proceed or move to the second challenge is the rapid growth of big data. So, today, nowadays, organization collect massive amount of data from different sources such as website, social media obviously, mobile applications, customer feedback, online transactions, sensors, and a business operation. So I think the problem is not collecting the data, but it is turning that data into useful knowledge. So let's proceed to another challenge. The third issue is the difficulty of implementing knowledge management system. So, based or according to the journal, many organizations understand that knowledge is one of their most valuable assets. So, however, they still do not have a clear understanding of how knowledge management should be implemented. So, some organizations face challenges such as a limited financial resources, lack of technical expertise, outdated technology, and resistance from employees who are unwilling to share their knowledge. So, in many cases, employees keep knowledge to themselves because they believe it gives them job security or a competitive advantage within their organization. So, move forward to the fourth challenge, which is the limitation of machine learning itself. Although machine learning can analyze large data sets, identify patterns, and provide recommendations much faster than humans, it cannot completely replace human intelligence because machine learning makes decisions based on historical data. It cannot fully understand emotion, ethical consideration, creativity, or unexpected situation. Therefore, important business decisions still require human judgment and experience. So, the journal emphasizes that organizations should combine machine learning with human expertise instead of relying entirely on technology. Yeah, I have another two challenge, which is another major challenge discussed in this journal is data privacy, security, and ethical issue. So machine learning system require a large amount of data, right, to function effectively. So if organizations fail to protect this data properly, they may face cyber security threats, data breaches, or unauthorized access to confidential information. Furthermore, if the data used to train machine learning models contains biased or inaccurate information, the system may produce unfair or incorrect decisions. That's very dangerous. So this can negatively affect customer, employees, and the organization reputations. So last but not least, the journal highlight the research gap in a business application. Although machine learning has become increasingly popular, the author found that only a small percentage of previous studies specifically focus on using machine learning for knowledge management in a business organization. So this shows that more research is still needed to understand how organization can successfully integrate machine learning into a knowledge management system while balancing technology with human expertise. So overall, I can say that human expertise is more potential and important than AI right now, because before AI existing, human expertise or human opinion is still valid until now and forever. So that's all about the challenges. I will proceed about how to resolve, how to solve this problem. So yeah, let's go.
So our recommendation is for organization to provide regular training on artificial intelligence and machine learning, because employees need to need the necessary digital skill to use knowledge management system effectively. With proper training, they can understand how to analyze information, share knowledge efficiently, and make better decisions. As a result, organization can improve productivity, strengthen collaboration, and maximize the benefits of machine learning in knowledge management.
Alright guys, for the last session is about recommendation. So based on the issue that we discussed earlier, or I discussed earlier about the challenge, I would like to propose several recommendations. So first and foremost, to overcome the loss of organizational knowledge, companies should develop a centralized knowledge management system as known as KMS, where employees can document their experiences, best practices, and standard operating procedures. So organizations should also introduce mentoring and knowledge transfer program before experienced employee retire or resign or leave the company, obviously. So this ensures that valuable knowledge remain within the organization instead of leaving with the employee. So on the other hand, to manage the growing amount of big data, organization should adopt a machine learning and artificial intelligence tool that can automatically organize, classify, and analyze large volumes of data. These technologies help transform raw data into a useful knowledge, allowing managers to make faster and more accurate decisions. Thirdly, to address the difficulty of implementing knowledge management, organizations should provide a regular training and awareness program for employees. Employee needs to understand the importance of knowledge sharing and learn how to use a knowledge management system effectively. At the same time, management should create a supportive culture by rewarding employees who actively share their knowledge and expertise. So another one, or fourthly, to overcome the limitation of machine learning, organizations should adopt a human AI collaboration approach. So how machine learning should be used to analyze data and generate recommendation, while final decision should remain in the hands of experienced managers. Human judgment is still essential and important, especially for a complex situation that involve ethics, creativity, or strategic thinking. Yeah. The last one, finally, to reduce the data privacy, security, and ethical risks, organizations should strengthen cyber security by using data acquisition, access control, that is very important, right? And a regular security audit. They should also ensure that machine learning models are trained using accurate, diverse, and unbiased data to minimize discriminations and improve the fairness of AI-driven decision. So yeah, before I give to the another presenter, in a nutshell, I would say that by combining advanced technology with a skilled employee, effective knowledge sharing practices, and strong data governance, organization can overcome these challenges and build a more efficient and sustainable knowledge managed system. So that's all from me. Bye.
The findings of the study and the solution proposed by the researchers. So the researchers found that machine learning is able to process big data much faster and more accurately than traditional methods. So it can analyze a large amount of data, detect useful patterns, and transform the data into valuable knowledge knowledge for organization. So in addition, machine learning improve the efficiency of the knowledge management system or KMS because it helps reduce to duplicate information, identify knowledge gaps, and makes knowledge easier to store, search, and share. So this allow employees to access the right information more quickly and work more efficiently. The study also found that machine learning support faster and better decision making by analyzing large amounts of data because it can generate useful recommendation and help organization respond to problems more effectively. And at the same point, it encourages innovation by providing insight that support the development of new ideas and better business strategy. So to address this, the researchers propose a solution called decision intelligence because the approach combines the strength of machine learning and human expertise. So machine learning analyzes data, detects pattern, and generates a recommendation, while human use their experience or the critical thinking and professional for a final decision. So overall, the combination enable organization to make business decisions that are faster, more accurate, and more consistent.
My name is Nushazwana. Now I would like to share my recommendation on how organization can overcome the challenges of implementing knowledge management with machine learning. Firstly, organization should promote strong knowledge sharing culture by encouraging employees to share their knowledge, skill, and experience through workshops, mentoring programs, and digital platforms. This helps preserve valuable organizational knowledge and support continuous learning. Secondly, organization should invest in continuous digital skill training. Regular training enables employees to use machine learning and knowledge management system more effectively, improving productivity and supporting better decision making. In addition, organization should ensure that the data used by machine learning system is accurate, reliable, and regularly updated. High quality data is essential because it leads to more accurate prediction and better organizational decision. Finally, organization should combine machine learning with human expertise instead of relying entirely on technology. While machine learning can analyze data and provide useful recommendation, human judgment is still necessary for making complex and strategic decisions. In my opinion, by promoting knowledge sharing, improving digital skill, maintaining high quality data, and combining that technology with human expertise, organization can maximize the benefit of machine learning while building a more efficient, reliable, and sustainable knowledge management system.
In conclusion, this journal demonstrates that integrating machine learning into knowledge management can significantly improve the way organizations create, store, share, and utilize knowledge. It enables organizations to process large volume of data more efficiently, support faster decision making, and enhance overall organizational performance. However, the successful implementation of machine learning is not solely dependent on advanced technology. Organizations must also address challenges such as limited knowledge sharing practice, insufficient digital skill, poor data quality, and concern related to data security and privacy. These challenges highlight the importance of having a balanced approach that combines technological innovation with human expertise. Overall, machine learning should be viewed as a tool that supports rather than replace human decision making. By combining intelligent technology, high quality data, and knowledgeable employees, organization can build a more effective knowledge management system that encourage innovation, improve competitiveness, and support long-term business success. Thank you for your attention.